In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo to Apple Wallet. Apple Wallet doesn't have a direct option to add photos, but here's an easy workaround. The first thing you need to do is open the App Store and search for Card Manager. Download and install the app. Once installed, open Card Manager. You'll see four menus: Gift, Loyalty, Membership, and All. Tap All, then press Add Card. Next, select Others, and from the list, choose Image Card. Here, you can name your photo. Then, either take a new photo using your camera or add one from your photo library. After adding your image, you'll see the option to add to Apple Wallet at the top. Tap it, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.